welcome to today's video. This video is just an extension of my last video, but I want to tell you a little bit about some findings that I've had over the past couple of weeks that I'm really enjoying. And these, I should mention, are all from the 5-quarter store. That's right. They're all 5 quarters. And again, these are all from the dollar store. Like, we've been paying ridiculous amounts of money for products you can get at the dollar store. Again, it just blows my mind that I've been shopping around for these products and I've gotten them from other shops and paid upwards of $80 for this kind of skincare that you are now able to get from the dollar store. First off, you've seen me use it before. It is the Personal Care Reviving Aloe Mist. So basically it gives you a nice base for your makeup and also preps your skin ready for makeup use, and it sets your makeup once you're done. So this next one is a serum. Skin Nutrition is the name of the brand, but it's a niacinamide 5% and a squalene serum. Real quick, I want to tell you about some of the ingredients, and I'm going to read them off to you. Don't judge me. Ingredients: water. Second ingredient is niacinamide, then glycerin, which is great for holding moisture in your skin. Squalene, it has black tea ferment, and it really does brighten my skin. The niacinamide is basically, and it really makes your skin look brighter. If you can't tell, I'm wearing it right now. It's incredible. I've also always used The Ordinary for their squalene in their products. This is a great, like I said, alternative to The Ordinary. It's got a lot more ingredients, and it's $10. But this, for $1.25 alternative. The next product I want to talk about is by the same brand, Skin Nutrition. It is the tea tree oil and salicylic acid balancing face wash, and really soothing it. So if you have acne prone skin, this is a great product. This particular one is a gentle skin cleanser. Even says so on the bottom, compared to Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So it's a lot of the same ingredients as the Cetaphil product, but for $1.25. That's no brainer. This next product is from Palmer's. If your lips get really dry and cracky, this is great to use, especially if you're out in the sun a lot, like I am down here in Florida. It is great for, I don't really use like chapstick because those contain so much wax. No paraben wax. It's all coconut. Cocoa butter. $1.25. Buy 2, like I do. Put one in your purse. Put one here where you do your makeup. Keep your lips nice and moist and supple. Last product I want to show you is this one. This is the Flex Instant Dry Shampoo with argan oil. And you cannot use, if you don't want to do shampoo every single day because you feel like you're getting that buildup in your hair and it strips away all of your natural oils in your hair, you want to use this in between washings. It does give a little bit of a white cast. Doesn't matter too much with my hair right now, but it's great. All right, more than anything, this last thing that I want to show you is a trick that I learned from Madam Nina Poole on TikTok. Full tips and tricks. You just get a bottle of baby oil, like I have here. This eyeshadow. It's a pigment. It's by LA Color. It kind of comes in a difficult to work with package. So this little thing comes out to kind of be able to put it on your eyelids. That out, probably about a teaspoon's worth, and you mix it in with your baby oil, and you have a nice bronzer for your skin. Shake it up real good, and it gives your skin a nice bronzy glow, like spray or tops. It's great for the no-see-ums. If you've ever been to Florida, you know what the no-see-ums are. They're these little tiny bugs that you cannot see, but they bite. Vicious. You get 100 of them on you at once, and they all want to bite you all at the same time. It's so great. Once I've removed my makeup, then I clean with this to get everything out of the dirt and pores. Then I use a little bit of this on my skin with my Clairsonic and really get all the dirt out and leave me with a nice clean base. Next up, I use my serum, and then I move on to I haven't found a replacement for my Olay yet. You know of one? Let me know. Before makeup, after makeup, and a nice bronzer for your skin. That's it, girls. You can get all the products that you need and want from the dollar store, from the 5-quarter store. Follow Nina Poole on TikTok. All right, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you want to see how I did this makeup look and you didn't see my previous video, please go and watch that. Or you can just go to my channel and search through my videos, which is not a lot, but it's enough. All right, angels, I hope you enjoyed this brief video just telling you about some of my favorite products from the Dollar Tree, the 5-quarter store. It's amazing what you can find there. Go there. Don't be afraid to read the labels. You'll find lots of good ingredients because some of the ingredients that is used in it was listed as Korean this or Korean that. Do your research. If any of the ingredients don't sound good to you, by all means, don't use them. I have like 6 bottles. I should never run out. I will apologize for the laundry basket probably being there through the whole video. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single view that I get. Please follow me on all of my social medias. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Angels Make It Mayhem. Please do be an angel and click subscribe and like and hit that bell notification so you're notified of every single video that I post. Leave me a comment because I really love hearing from you. Thank you, angels. No, it took a lot of therapy to get here. Ain't crazy. I just played that on YouTube. Squalling. Losing it. It's the lights. If you're Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate every single video. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I do really appreciate every single... Why can't I talk? Squalon? Am I saying that right? I don't know. I probably don't know. The next product I want to talk about is... Yes, dear.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, you sound a lot like a girl I had with us at.
I'm so glad I got that on camera.
Why, are you filming some shit?
Oh, yes.
Then you, I think I got the wrong number.
I don't think you did. At least I hope you didn't. So glad I got that on camera. I'm going to save that forever. All right, angels. Stay pretty.